India is the world leader in tuberculosis burden according to the latest WHO survey. But have you ever taken a moment to consider the ailments of these coughing people? On the occasion of World Tuberculosis Day, let's delve into the lives of two completely different people, a common man and a healthcare professional whom fate brings together due to tuberculosis.
Can you give me tablets for cough, fever, and weakness?
How long have you been coughing?
It's been 2 weeks. Oh my god.
Oh, you're coughing blood? It's better you get a screening done for TB.
Yeah. Okay.
Did you observe what just happened? This is the most common misconception about tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is mistaken for a simple common cold. Now let's see what our other lead is doing.
That's weird. Why am I feeling weak today? I'm sure it must be a viral fever or something. It can never be TB. It can't be TB.
It can never be TB? I think he knows very well what his problem is. But let's see how far he's willing to run away from his fears.
Alright friends, on 24th of this month, we're conducting a few programs about TB. So, what do you know about TB?
So, tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculei. It mainly affects lungs, but sometimes it may also affect brain and other organs too.
It is actually RNTCP, which is Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program, which was adopted from DOTS.
You in the back. What is DOTS?
So, actually, DOTS is a direct observation treatment strategy. There is actually DMC, designated microscopic centers, which screen the patients for TB and provide free treatment.
Its main objective is to screen TB and HIV positive patients.
Why is it necessary to screen HIV patients for TB? That's because in HIV, immunity is compromised, so they have more more likely chance of getting TB. Next.
May I come in, sir?
Come in. Yeah. हेलो हाँ मैं अभी ओपी में हूँ मैं आ रहा हूँ
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, these are the diagnostic reports you asked me to get it last time.
Mr. Rahul.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, Mr. Rahul. But you have been diagnosed with TB. It's positive. But it's okay. I'll demonstrate you the medicines. These are the TB medicines which you'll get at the dispensary. You need to follow these directions and use them. Every week you need to go there and take it from the dispensary. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir. I think I shouldn't go back to my family. I cannot give them TB when they have given me so much.
So boring class it was.
Yeah, it was.
Hey, what are you thinking so deeply?
I'm concerned about my family. Will they get affected because of me?
There is a chance, but if you maintain a healthy lifestyle, good nutrition, and healthy hygiene, like washing your hands after coughing and sneezing, and covering your mouth with tissues during coughing, it really helps you.
Discharging it in a plastic bag, ventilating your room, keeping your surroundings clean, you can protect your family from this. If you have infants at home, prophylaxis is the best measure to do so.
Don't be depressed. You will get well soon.
Yeah.
Hey, are you alright now?
Yeah, why? What happened to me?
You fell flat on ground while trying too hard to breathe, and you were sweating heavily also.
It's nothing. Let's go to work. There's a lot of work to do.
Don't be so negligent. For your patient's sake, please get a checkup done.
Uh, I'm sure it's just a weakness or something. I'm fine. It's okay.
But what's wrong in getting an X-ray?
Fine.
A doctor was diagnosed with tuberculosis and received the necessary treatment. However, there are other doctors who are just as susceptible and just as negligent about their personal hygiene. This, accompanied by the fact that healthcare professionals working in TB centers or hospitals are constantly exposed to this disease, paints a grim picture. Government initiatives such as screening biannually or even annually can greatly improve the scenario. This will lead to a healthier medical status, and healthier translates to happier.
Be aware of symptoms of tuberculosis. They include cough for 2 or more than 2 weeks, may be associated with blood in sputum, weight loss, weakness, loss of appetite, and fever during evenings.
Prevention is better than cure. BCG is the first vaccine given to a child to prevent infantile TB.
Always use gloves and masks while handling the patient, and also use sanitizers before and after touching the patient.
Negligence is dangerous than tuberculosis. Don't misinterpret the symptoms of TB as cold. Pay attention.
Prevention can be easily done by simple measures like personal hygiene and clean surroundings.
So, on occasion of World TB Day, let's come together and spread awareness among the people.
The government has launched many schemes to provide free diagnosis and treatment for tuberculosis.
And remember, common man, doctor, or even the president, tuberculosis can affect anyone.
Approximately 10.4 million cases are reported every year worldwide, out of which 2.2 million cases are reported in India. 1.7 million people die every year due to tuberculosis worldwide.
5% of TB patients are estimated to be HIV positive. 195 cases out of 10,000 people are recorded every year. 1,146 crores are allotted to the RNTCP department by the government in the year 2017.
So be aware.
Be safe.